All right, welcome back. We are going to look at Powtoons, but this time we're going to look at how do you share it after you've made one. So after you've made one, you're going to come back to this home page, and you can see I'm on my account. And if I scroll down, here are my Powtoons. So notice I have two that look the same because I made them twice to just practice. So here I am. I'm going to do this one. Give me a second because remember I told you I'm learning this new. Okay, so I'm going to click Export. And here I am on this page, and I am going to create my own Powtoon page. You can see I've already done it, so here you would title your page. So you can put your first and last name here. I'm going to select a category. It would be education. And unfortunately, we're going to do password protected when it comes, but for now we have to leave it public, and you would push next. We're going to leave this here at 720p. We have to include the watermarks because we are having the free account, and click export with watermarks. And now here we have our Powtoon so that it is shareable. So what you want to do is see this right here. This is the link button. So you want to click that, and when you have the check mark, it means that it has like Control-C. It's copied for you. And you would have to go back to wherever you are supposed to be copying it, which could, hold on, I'm sorry, I have so many tabs open. Could possibly be on this document. So you can see, okay, here it is where you could create a Powtoon. Paste the link here. So you would click down here, make sure you have some space, and press Control-V. Or Control-V doesn't work for you. You could come on this one and go to Edit and paste. And that would put your Powtoon link right there in your document. So let's go back. Here we are in Powtoons. You get this right here, the link. You click it. You get the green check mark. That means it copied for you. And then you go and paste it in the document where you need to, or maybe it's inside Google Classroom. You have to paste that link, or in an email. So wherever you need to send, however you're going to send the link to me, or to a classmate maybe, you would copy it from there and paste it. Okay, thank you.